Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect your Google Tag Manager to your Wix account. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I am on the dashboard for one of my sites, and you can only connect the Google Tag Manager to each site individually. So you're going to need to go to your dashboard of one of your sites. Once you're here, what you're going to want to do is go to the left and go to the bottom of this panel and click on settings. Once you're here, you're going to want to go to the bottom again under advanced, and you'll see marketing integrations. Click on that, and as you can see, one of the first options is the Google Tag Manager. You're going to want to click connect, and as you can see, I cannot connect because I do need a premium plan to connect, but if you have a premium plan already, this will be outlined for you. Now, what you're going to want to do is get a container ID or a code from Google Tag Manager, and what you're going to want to do once you set everything up is go to your Tag Manager dashboard or to your accounts page, and you're going to want to copy the code from there. You'll find it over there. You'll, as I mentioned, either on the accounts page or on the dashboard, pretty much it doesn't matter. And then once you have it, copy it over, click add Google Tag Manager, and then you'll be able to enter that code or the container ID, and you'll be able to connect the Tag Manager to your Wix site, and then you can do this to whichever site you would like. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.